Welcome back to Bike Rush, where we break down the most exciting motorcycles shaping the future of riding. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Honda CRF 750L, a middleweight adventure machine designed to blur the line between rugged off-road performance and real-world touring comfort. The 2026 CRF 750L carries unmistakable Honda rally-inspired styling, with a tall stance, slim bodywork, and protective fairings built for long days on mixed terrain. Its ergonomics favor standing control off-road while remaining comfortable for extended highway runs, making it a true dual-purpose adventure bike. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CRF 750L is a refined parallel twin engine tuned for strong low to mid-range torque. This setup delivers smooth power delivery for technical trails while maintaining enough punch for confident overtakes on open roads. Honda's focus on reliability and efficiency ensures consistent performance across varying conditions. Built around a lightweight yet durable frame, the CRF 750L balances stability and agility. Long travel suspension absorbs rough terrain with ease, while the well-sorted geometry keeps handling predictable on pavement. This combination allows riders to transition seamlessly from dirt tracks to highways. The 2026 model integrates modern rider aids designed to enhance control without diluting the adventure experience. Multiple riding modes, traction control, and selectable ABS settings provide adaptability for different surfaces. A clear digital display delivers essential information at a glance, even in harsh riding environments. Honda has paid close attention to rider comfort, offering a well-padded seat, optimized wind protection, and thoughtful weight distribution. A generous fuel tank supports long-distance travel, while integrated mounting points make it easy to add luggage and accessories for extended adventures. True to its CRF lineage, the 750L shines off-road. Excellent ground clearance, responsive throttle control, and balanced suspension tuning inspire confidence on gravel, sand, and rocky trails. It's a bike built to explore beyond paved routes without hesitation. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L stands out as a versatile, dependable, and capable adventure motorcycle. It blends Honda's legendary durability with modern performance and technology, making it an ideal choice for riders seeking one bike to do it all, from daily commutes to cross-country adventures. That's our look at the 2026 Honda CRF 750L here on Bike Rush. If you're passionate about adventure bikes and future-ready machines, stay tuned for more in-depth motorcycle content coming your way.